it's tight. So when he came in, he said, down here on the right side, he's beginning to feel it. Said it ain't out yet, but we don't want to get there. And that's just it. Once you become a more experienced chiropractic patient, you get in front of the devastating type of feelings that happen in the back. We're getting nice pressure off nerve releases like that. You cozy?
Oh yeah.
Good. See that right there, there's a little cracking still. Take a breath in. All the way out. Now look up ahead a little bit more. There it is, perfect. All right, now we're talking.